Here we go. Westey's box 2012 Cryptozoic. The Big Bang Theory. So good luck to you, sir. Well, let's hope we see a huge autograph in here. Base. Base. Now we got the memorabilia in here. Oh, nice 3-color Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Sheldon 3-color memorabilia. Very nice. Base. Base. Got an insert easier than an engine. Leonard Penny and Sheldon. Base. 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 Got an insert of the borrowed pillowcase, Leonard and Sheldon. Base. Base. That's okay. 3-1 series lead. We just wanted to take it at home. We've got a behind-the-scenes observation, number 4. Base. Three-one lead, Professor. 3-1 lead in this series. Scanner-esque insert. Behind the scenes observation number 9. Base. Base, where is that autograph? Got to be coming up soon. Insert plea for help. Base. Base. And it is definitely not a common auto. This is true. We have an autograph. Dr. Sheldon Cooper. Jim Parsons. Bazinga. There we go. Sheldon autograph. And we finish with base. So there we go, buddy.